Okay, hello everyone. I hope you are in a good condition. Yeah. In this video, you can watch the review. Yeah, related what you have done. Yeah, on ASM 5 or the previous week assignment. The assignment aims to assess, your understanding related with the journal sample, of politeness strategy. We got a sample related to that PS journal, but once again, from the journal sample, you need to discuss, you need to analyze first about the given questions, to lead you into a better understanding related with the PS, politeness strategy, with the politeness principle, journal discussion. Now, let's see about the question first. As you can see here, before we go, this is just sample from one class, because we have two classes from 19 students from the deadline. I give you a synchronous meeting. Means you can join the activity for a week. Yeah, you can maximize your leisure time. When you are free, you can manage it by yourself to read, to watch, and to do this thing in a week. And then, no, this is less than 50% of the students that do the ASN 5. Yeah, so sad. Once again, this is your choice. You choose to have this privilege to study. You got the privilege to study compared with others. You got the money, whether you pay it by yourself or your parents' money, but you take a responsibility. If you have this privilege, please be responsible. Study. By what? By once again, by answering this assignment. The assignment lead you to better understanding our study. This is your consequences, for those who do not submit the assignment. Okay, let's get back to the discussion. First, why we have these four simple questions, why the research is important. First, my feedback, the review based on your several answers, some of them give the general answer. It's okay, you are freely to take from any resources, related with research. But once again, this is not the general research. This is this PP research, the politeness strategy research from the age of extinction, Transformer movie, not general research. Some of you, for example, here I will give you the samples, Research is important because study reveal the research have restored blah blah blah. This is general sample of research, not the research related with politeness principle. I think the background study for a thesis includes a review. This is general answer, general thing about research background, not the analysis related with the journal research. This is method are the strategies. This is general research, general method, general research background. Be mind about it. Mind about it. Remember. D is important, yeah. Okay, then let's discuss other. This one, the second question, yeah, because these three samples general, yeah, from your answer. Let's discuss other questions. What do you think about the research background? What is still missing? Nah, I will discuss one, two, three, and the summarize. There will be vary, yeah, but most of you answer it correctly. So let's choose question. We will take sample from a journal, yeah. This is simple. The title is politeness strategy used by the main characters in Transformer X of Extinction movie. Yeah, you said in here, yeah. For the introduction, why the research is important? Yeah, you can answer it by yourself. Because movie, once again, movie. Why movie can be an object of research? I already made it in a forum. Yeah, you can also redirect it with this questions. Yeah, because of PP itself, politeness. Yeah. But do not get trapped into politeness explanation, politeness strategy explanation. This is about chapter 2 or later on in your discussions. Yeah. So the number 1 and number 2 is correlated each other. This research background weaknesses is has it has no direct reason about the importance. It has indirect reason, yeah, related with uh, what is politeness strategy, but there is no direct relation related with the movie. Yeah, you need to state, yeah. In answering the question number 2, we can also indirectly answer the question number 1, yeah. Once again, we can directly answer, yeah, that we need to inform about the movie. For example, if the thesis is written in 2020, for example, yeah, the movie at least happens in that year or in the previous year. If it happened in 5 years ago, it's quite old. Yeah, we need the current movie, the current problem, or another. Yeah, that's about the novelty. Yeah, about the the popularity. The movie is booming or not, why it become a focus. Yeah, you need to state like that. Why the Transformer, the Age of Extinction? Yeah, because it become the first box office movie in for more than 12 months, 11 months. Okay, then the other factors about the other achievement of that movie, and then the other one you can see from the other point of view. What is that about the language itself in that movie? Yeah, that's important because this is unique. It shows, yeah, this theme, this topic, this characteristic, this uniqueness. And then you can also sharpen it into a further focus, yeah, related about the characters, for example, yeah, that alter the conversation, that becomes a major point, a major topic in the politeness strategy, politeness principle. Yeah, but this thesis doesn't have it yet. Yeah, so that's the weaknesses. And then why this is important? Yeah, because we need to know about the characteristic of this uh, Transformer X of extinction. Yeah, we can see that this thesis is written in 2016. Now, you need to state that this is still a new movie that's quite booming, popular, the box office. Yet you can cite the resource from Rotten Tomatoes. It has 8 of 10 stars. Now, wow, that's quite good. Then from the other critics or from the other fans reacts, yeah, blah blah blah. From this achievement, yeah, blah blah blah. Yeah, you can also state that one. Or later on, yeah, based on this week journal, I will show you another one from Mbak Yolanda. Yeah, then it will have another different approach, yeah, about the important. Because why to know this topic is important, this politeness strategy is important, because most of students in the certain area, yeah, in the Jakarta for example, do not know yet about this relation, about this topic, so they need to know about it. So in the research background, you need to know about the major factor why it is important, why is the consequences if it is not done by the researcher, it is not investigated what happened, yeah, what's the benefit and extra, yeah. But so far, once again, after the first question, we'll go back to second questions again, yeah. It just discuss about previous research, yeah, and also about politeness, yeah, politeness strategy, and without any relation with the movie at all in the research background. So that's the weaknesses, yeah. Okay, then the methodology you can go once again tadi apa methodology ya, tapi ini research questionnya ada dua ini ya. Kinds of politeness, okay, and which is the most used. Actually, it become one ya. Sebenarnya ini levelnya pertanyaannya satu. What kind of politeness strategy are used? From those we can indirectly answer second question. Yeah. Okay. So the second research question actually is not necessarily needed. Yeah, because it can be given later on in the discussion. Yeah, you will give in the discussion. That this types 20%, this types 10%, or this type 50%, yeah, can also give it. Yeah, if you have another equation, yeah, it's better you change into other, because the mostly used, yeah, but for example like that can be discussed in your research discussion. Okay, yeah, you can see, yeah, by reading, by answering this journal questions, you can also learn slowly about the format for chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, yeah, for your thesis. You can also analyze the characteristic for each chapter. Yeah, because in answering about the types of politeness, let's discuss about it. Yeah, we need to know the concept of politeness first. Yeah, we can start from the general. What is the basic of the politeness strategy? Oh, the concept of phase, positive phase, negative phase. Yeah, take from this. Then after theory and concept, we go into after positive and negative. Yeah, types of this phase. Yeah, threatening. Yeah. Then to avoid that, we have strategies, right? And what is the types? We go to positive politeness, negative politeness, fault on record, etc. Then, because it's related to the movie, we can have a brief discussion about the movie. Yeah, actually, it has just one question, yeah, but it's lengthened into two question. Now, the previous study, there are several previous study. Yeah, for those who will make later on in your thesis about previous study, you can choose, yeah, about the similarity. Yeah, you can have several theses that we have read, yeah, research that we have read, then analyze. Oh, this is same. This is about politeness strategy, but this is in a movie. This is in a, for example, daily life with a teacher-student conversation. Same but in different context. Yeah. Oh, that is no same. Yeah. It will be different, but it must have a similarity too, because we want to compare. As long as the researchers know, yeah, from the certain topics that same, for example, from the object, from the method, blah blah blah, it's different, something like that. Yeah, then it's you can write it, yeah, in your each paragraph like this. What is the unique differences? The differences to show your uniqueness, these research differences, and then you can cover up, wrap up into a conclusion that there is a differences between this research with the previous researchers. Yeah, results from the methodology, from the approach used, from the theory used, whether mostly the rest are the same, but this is different. The rest are the same, but this part is different. Nah, you can show that things. Then to conclude that based on those puzzle from the previous references, this research is important. Okay, that's the additional discussion. Yeah, let's get back after the first, second. We go to the third about methodology. What is the research method? Descriptive, qualitative. Please read this chapter because it can be used from for several research that have the same characteristics later on. Yeah. This one, descriptive qualitative method. We can have the data collection. Nah, we can also have kind of discussion. Yeah, if we watched a movie, we will analyze both, yeah, from the conversation, of course, the language, but the language cannot be taken apart from the context because this is pragmatic, right? And then you are the researcher, you are the first one that analyze. You watch. The first step is download the movie, watch. What is the purpose of subtitle here? The subtitles aims to validate the what is that? Of course, not just one subtitles. Yeah, later on you can watch and write down the subtitle, analyze it, uh, keep it, and then validate with the subtitle. Yeah, to make sure not directly download it from the subtitle. Yeah, so you are the researcher. Yeah, because subtitle can be wrong too. So you need kind of validation. Who are the validators? Is the researcher or the expert later on? Yeah, your lecturer, for like that. Then you try to analyze with those uh, theory. One that is missing, maybe in our university, we have conceptual framework. The conceptual framework can be written, yeah, here after the chapter 2, yeah, before the previous study, yeah, here. What is the conceptual framework? It's kind of mapping, can be a flow chart or figures, yeah, to show the relation of your theory, yeah, that can answer every research question. Yeah, you should make this. What is polite strategy used by Brown and Levinson, for example, blah 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 blah, to answer this first research question about types, types of polite strategy and extra. Okay, done from the methodology, and then yeah, based on the conclusion, why it's mostly appear here, I just want to know about your paraphrasing techniques. Yeah, and also your creativity. Yeah, because mostly appear that this is part on record. Yeah. because you can say about the relationship between the Kate Yeager and Tessa itself. Are they friends? Are they family? Are they just stranger known each other yet or something like that? And that's also a factor whether the conversation used with this positive planning strategy, negative planning strategy or not. Because this focus of the research into two characters, yeah, Kate Yeager and Tessa. And then it's no wonder that the mostly used is Paul on record because their relationship is quite close. Yeah. And then in this discussion, it should be mentioned about the thing. Yeah. This is not what I make other research bad, yeah, feedback, but this is for our improvement, yeah. We can learn from this. This steps is data analysis, yeah. Then still have weaknesses. It's a discussion. You need to discuss everything that appears from this datum 1 till datum 19 for example. Okay. Nah, let's compare with the thesis from Mbak Yulan, ya. Okay. Once again, in research background, we need to have a pyramid strategy. From the topic, it should be it pyramid, ya, as a pyramids, but in a vice versa, like this. The general topics will be first till the narrowing one. But from the amount of the explanation, it will be kind of the normal pyramid. From the general topic, it must be a few. Then from the specific topics, it must be more explanation because we go deeply into the certain discussion of our current topics. Yeah, but Yolan, 2019, last 3 years have passed the test defense with a good one, with a good achievement. Yeah, a pragmatic analysis of floating maxim in Spider-Man into Spider-Verse. This is about floating maxim. Yeah. After politeness strategy, we learn also about floating maxim, but this from our university. Yeah, we can see from the previous weaknesses, we can compare through this one. But Yolanda explained about language, yeah, okay, from a general one. But the portion is not that much, yeah. We stop to language and daily conversation. Then move to directly to the cooperative principle. Then to the cooperative principle, TP, we go to the cooperative principle related with the floating, what is floating maxim, talent and extra. Then after that, we go directly into a movie. Yeah, CP in a movie. What kind of relation of it? Then what is the movie? Yeah, so this is the more specific context with the complete given situation. Yeah, Spider-Man into Spider-Verse. Yeah, yeah. From the previous research that we have discussed, we can compare with it. It's quite complete. Yeah, from the pyramid, from the general topic, it has just a few discussion from the language, communication, cooperative principle, then move to this one. But the explanation quite larger, and larger. Yeah, because we want to discuss about the floating maxim in Spider-Man into Spider-Verse, right? So no wonder that these topics we can discuss the reason extra, yeah, with the more sentences, yeah. Okay. Not only the animation version that makes the movie is different from the previous. Yeah, the uniqueness is mostly the previous Spider-Man movie is about the real one, but this is the animation that brought into an Oscar award. Yeah, that's good. That's the novelty. And then the research is happened in 2019. and then this movie is in 2019 too. Okay, yeah, and then this also into multiverse. This is the unique concept even in the Marvel cinematic movie. Yeah, it's the first, like the first introduction in the Marvel through the Spider-Man movie. Yeah, and then about the characters of the dialogue. The dialogue between each character sometimes do not follow the maxims. That's quite interesting, right? Yeah. So what happened? Then blah 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 blah. Then there are also some people, case people, the hidden meaning makes the audience fail to catch the meaning and lead the misinterpretation. Yeah, this by these steps we can know about this research background. Yeah, you can follow this one of the samples. Yeah, then it's wrap up into the researcher interest to analyze floating maxim in Spider-Man into Spider-Verse as subject because it was the best animation movie that have won 6 awards, nominated 7 times. That's the supporting one. The other reason that makes the research interest to analyze movie because we found many floating maxim. Kalau nggak ada, there is no abundant floating maxim. So what? So what's the aim to study into this movie? Yeah. So because there are so many floating maxim found in the dialogue, we concern on the language, so we must put into the dialogue. Okay. Yeah. If you see this, so sorry. So I just forgot to do screen sharing ya tadi. Nah, this is our screen sharing. You can follow from this one ya. Let's have a review for a while ya from this pyramid strategy tadi. Language ya kan, daily conversation, cooperative principle ya, floating maxim, then through the movie Spider-Man into Spider-Verse, then the complete reason ya why it is important here. Yeah. Then it's wrap up into this last paragraph. Then it comes to the two question, what types of maxim and what are the reason. Nah, that's different from the previous one. Types, kalau mau pakai majority ya otomatis dari types itu sudah tahu majority-nya kan. Karena nanti hasilnya sudah bisa ini. Tidak perlu ada kelas tersendiri, ada pertanyaan sendiri untuk apa yang paling banyak muncul kan. Ya itu hanya tinggal dari question 1 kita sudah tinggal menghitung atau melihat ya sudah otomatis. Jadi tidak begitu layak untuk jadikan this question ya. Jadi itu harus jadi salah satu discussion saja nanti. Nah, lalu tambahkan seperti ini contohnya saran saya yang seperti masukan untuk the feedback from the previous research sample ya. What are the reason of floating maxim? Ya, the reason. What are the reason? Ini scope of the research. Sejauh apa? Because the researcher can have a limitation in time, not just about the researcher ya, but about this topic. We need to limit it about the broad of the dialogue ya, who will utter that can be analyzed through this maxims theory ya, dan research benefit and extra. Definition of the terms, remember it's just definition ya, it's not too complete like in the chapter 2. Chapter 2 because we want to discuss about floating maxim, so we comes to the basic first. Floating maxim from pragmatics ya. Discuss about pragmatics, discuss about pragmatic cooperative principle because this is one of the cooperative principle violation ya. Maxim of quantity, quality. After that, there is a floating maxim. Apa itu floating maxim lagi? Quantity types-nya ya. Quality maxim floating, relevant maxim floating, manner maxim floating. Then, after the basic, pragmatic cooperative principle, maxim, floating maxim, ya types-nya, lalu ada reason for maxim floating. This is the reason declaration, representative, commissive, directive, and extra. We can put a bit about the context because this is pragmatics. The context about Spider-Man into Spider-Verse theory, so the reader can know the general background first. Then we need to have previous study, what we have talked about, to show your uniqueness and characteristic. Yeah, that your research, this research, but you learn research is different with others. We can compare. Then the one is conceptual framework that is missing in the previous journal, previous research samples. Yeah, how we can answer those two research questions? We can have map floating maxim. Tadi we want to answer about types and reason. The types use the quantity, quality, relevance, and manner theory. Then from answering the reason, we can use the illocutionary theory, yeah, by declaration, representative, commissive, and directive expressive. Done by this figure, by this framework, we can know how our research run so far later on. Yeah. The first question will be answered with this. The second question will be answered with this. Yeah, I hope you can have this adaptation later on in your thesis defense, or later before go far into that one. Yeah, from your thesis writing, proposal writing. Yeah, to make it better, you need to explain it through the descriptive things. Yeah, here. Research method same. Qualitative research, ya. Dan the data collection tacticsnya. This is download Spider-Man first, download the script. This is watch the movie while checking the script. Remember, script is for checking and also from one of the validation. But the one who has the major role is you, the researcher, ya. Dan data analysis techniques, antara using this one, maybe you can show the blueprint of the what's that? Analysis here. How can you analyze your data later on? Oh, by this one, the data. You can choose the data from the movie, from the script. After you watch several times, yeah, or many times, yeah, you can make categorization into types. Yeah, quality, quantity, relation, manner, reason, yeah. Then you can put the context. Then that's the data finding, and then you need to focus more about data research discussion. Ya, from the previous research about extinction transformer tadi, kelemahannya, the weaknesses, one of them is about the research discussion. There is no research discussion yet, hanya data finding dan done. Ya, ini kan data finding, ada description. Lalu from the data finding, from datum one, there is an analysis. Type-nya apa? What is the types? It's explained here. Descriptively, step by step. Mind that your research reader know nothing, yeah, so you can explain it better and complete. Then what is the reason? After types, reason. Datum 2 types, reason. Datum ini salah tulis. Datum 3 types, reasons, and extra, ya. Datum 3 reason of long-term maxim. Datum 4. Nah, setelah so many data finding analysis from each datum, we can go to the discussion. Nah, ini the other part that is missing from the previous sample, ya. Nih, harus ada. The section is discussing the finding. Tadi findingnya tadi didiskusikan. There are 15 accurate data found after identifying, analyzing, and checking. Lalu dibahas satu-satu. Ya, like this. You can read. Directive reason is used in this movie because the speaker wants to make the hearer give an action from speaker answer. There are many problems appear in this movie. which raise many arguments between the characters, especially the characters of Miles as teenager. Now, we can add our analysis, our opinion, but it is supported from those scripts, supported from the previous data finding analysis and extra, yeah, and other references too. We can also take from other references here. Okay, I think there's two comparative research samples, yeah. One discussing politeness principle, here about floating maxim, but the focus is also same, showing you the sample of a research related with pragmatic research, yeah. You can learn about other types of pragmatic research, yeah, whether this is from certain topics like flatness principle, cooperative principle, or floating maxim, yeah. And then this week, your duty, your activity is watching this video as your replacement in synchronous, because we have asynchronous meeting, yeah. And then don't forget to read the journal slowly so you can once again understand about the types of the research in pragmatics. Okay, thank you very much. I count on you, yeah, because you are the future of this generation. You have the once again privilege to study from your parents, from yourself, from your effort, yeah. Maybe you work by yourself to pay the tuition fee, yeah, or your parents work for you, yeah. So use it, maximize it in following the teaching and learning process, so you can get what is the learning outcome. Okay, goodbye, happy learning, and stay healthy.